If you are thinking of importing furniture from China, then this video is meant for you. Guys, we are at the center of the largest furniture market in the world, in China, Foshan. So we are in the center. You can see, so beautiful and so large. Look at the flags. Let me know if you can see your country flag on top. We have China, India, South Africa, and all those things. If you can see your country flag, that means they are the largest buyers from this wholesale market. So you can see, look at this furniture. Here they don't sell any kind of furniture. These are luxury furniture for your home. If you want your home to look unique, special, amazing, this is the wholesale market to come to. There are so many markets, but this is the wholesale market you need to come to. Just look at this design with Coca-Cola. This kind of furniture, you need it in your bar, restaurant, hotel, home to look so amazing and so unique. Guys, I'm enjoying the view here. Just look at this. Just look at this. You see that? Today I'm bringing you premium products. I don't just like simple products. I need something unique, something wonderful. You know, when you are sitting on this, you can feel the vibe. You can feel luxury. This is what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. They have different types. Just look at this. All these kind of chairs, you can get it from only this wholesale market. Apart from that, there's no place you can find this type. Just look at this. Just look at this. Wow. Guys, this is the wholesale market you need to come to. The amazing part is, when you come here, you don't need to talk to someone. The product detail is written on it. So we have the brand, we have the place of production. This is Guangdong. It will tell you the specification, the material, the product used to make the raw material used to make this furniture. And the price is written on it. This is 28,000 RMB. 28,000 RMB is not up to $3,000. $3,000, $4,000 for this whole furniture. It's not so affordable. So the prices are affordable and quality. Listen, you don't have to use any kind of mirror. Just look at this. Just look at this. Isn't it amazing and cool? So wonderful. So we have a lot of them over here. A lot. So we have different types. We have another area of these furnitures. So you see this? It looks very cool. All these types, these are compressed sofas. So if you want to make packaging, you'll package it very small and arrange delivery from China to your country. So this, they have different furniture. So if you need any kind of furniture like this for your home, this is the right wholesale market to come. So imagine in your home having furniture like this, and they can do delivery from China to any part in the world. So we are in another store here. Just look at this. You can have this in your home. If you need any of these kind of furniture for your home, they have it. Luxury ones, they can customize and everything. So come along with us and let's see this area. Just look at the design. So you can see this is how your home can look like. So if you need any of them, I love this style. So cool. Yes. Just look at this. This can also be your bed. Guys, so anything about furniture, bedrooms, you can get that from here. So all these designs, they can do that for you. They can do customization. Any design you want, you can send them the dimension of your home and they will do the design for you. Guys, as I said, this wholesale market is special and amazing products, unique products. Just look at this. You see, like fire. You see, this is very amazing. It looks so cool. If you have this in your sitting room or your hall, guys, this is so unique, and they can customize any product you want to make it look wonderful and so cool. These are not the only types. They have so many types. You think it's fire, but it's not. Just this will make your home look more special. We have so many types. So many types. So many types. Guys, I don't know which one to select. I love all of them. They all look amazing. Come and get yours. Are you in the US, Europe, wherever you are in the world, we arrange shipment to you. How can you make an order? We have a link in the description. Click on it. We have a website for this wholesale market. You can buy directly from their factory. No middleman, nothing. Directly from their factory. This place is so large and so huge. You see, all these types. It's only in this wholesale market you can get unique products, wonderful products for your home. Only in this wholesale market that you can find unique and wonderful products. Just look at this. And as I said, the price is always there. Just look at this. Is it not amazing? I told you, this is not any kind of wholesale market for furniture. These are luxury products. Come and let's explore. So when we talk about furniture, we cannot talk about furniture without lights. So in your home, you need luxury lights in your home. So come and let's explore. So just look at this, having this in your home. Just look at this. All these designs, you can have them in your home. If you want your home to look special, unique, this is the wholesale market for that. The vibe here, everything looks different, unique, and special. Just look at these luxury furniture products, home products. If you need any of them, just contact us. We will arrange delivery from China to your country. We have so many of them. Just look at this side. You know what? I'm so amazed. Just look at these. And each of them, they have the price and everything on it. Anything about furniture, home, this is the right place to come to. Contact us and we'll arrange delivery. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this. It's not cool? So guys, China is the modern world now. Like special buildings, special, like, come and let's explore. China is the new world, and China is always investing in modern infrastructure. I'm so amazed to be here. Just look at this. So amazing, and I'm so amazed to see this. Wow, Let me know what you feel about this amazing place in the comment section. Just look at this design. I just love to see these kind of designs over here. Looks so special. Wow. How do you feel? This is the modern China, and they are designing modern buildings in this place. I feel so amazed to be here.